In this video, you'll be learning about privacy and security in Chrome, how to control what you share online, and how to keep your information private. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. All profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. Let's talk about Chrome. Chrome is one of many available internet browsers, and it was designed for more than just its speed. Because of its advanced security features, Chrome offers a very safe internet browsing experience. It allows you to control what information you share online, keeping your information private. Chrome includes a range of security features, and all of these features are continually running in the background, ensuring that your computer and personal information are protected at all times. Chrome also uses something called sandboxing technology, which stops harmful viruses from reaching your computer. Security indicators. Whenever you navigate to a website, Chrome will display a security indicator to let you know whether or not your connection is private. Understanding these indicators can help you stay safe when entering personal information online. Enter the web address and then look here where you've written it. The HTTPS indicator will appear green if the site is using a secure connection. Always check for this when entering sensitive information like your date of birth, your phone number, your home address, or your credit card number. If you cannot see this, click the padlock to the left. A secure connection makes it much harder for someone trying to access your information. The non-secure indicator looks like this, red, and will appear for most websites, which means the site is not using a secure connection. This is not important for many websites like news sources or weather forecasts, but you should avoid entering sensitive personal information on these pages. Always make sure you know why you're providing personal information to a website, and use these indicators to understand who could have access to it. Safety online, particularly with credit cards and personal details, is vital. Now that you've learned about this, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Do you have any questions? What would you like to learn? What tips would be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below, and if you need any help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us.